You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
All right, gonna do intro.
Oh, we get a whole microphone.
Yeah. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I D D. All right. I'll do one more shot. 1, 2. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, I think.
And then lean against this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think. You want me to?
What, are you going to move me? Oh, Lord Jesus. You're going to kill me.
Nah, I promise I won't. Go ahead, Bonnie. Get in a little dancey dance. Yeah. Yep. 1, 2. Perfect.
The blinds and everything.
Yeah,
That's what they all say. All right, now they with a baddie. Oh, well, I guess that was flash, so it doesn't count as natural. But yeah,
still.
but we got a baddie.
We got bed. It's 11. We are eating at 11, isn't it? We're eating at 11.
Yeah.
Natty with a baddie.
That was baddie.
You know.
Oh yeah. You ready to head out?
Yeah, basically. I'm just sticking some nails on. Do you want to see how much they were? I'll show you.
Okay.
£1
£1. How
for
much is
Primark.
that? How much is that?
$1.
Like,
Yeah.
oh.
Less than $1.
$80, 80 cents.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna make this a short film, bro.
You know what I like to do.
Oh, you got one.
I have no idea. But yeah, I told you so long ago. I know, right? 10 years ago. I have absolutely
On your phone, you can zoom in a little bit. I don't know what you're trying to do. You need to color grade it.
Do it here and use the see the bottle with the little light.
Yeah.
Oh, she wanted to do it.
Yeah, we'll do it. Okay. Yeah, a little.
Oh, there you go. Look at him.
For your hat.
She's unreal as well.
Oh, okay. There we go. Now we're using the shadows. I'm gonna get you right. Oh.
Yeah, there.
Where's that? Might be there.
You're gonna ask
Okay,
Phil?
he popping it. Okay. Coming through. He coming through with the bounce light. Look at this. So creative.
A little tease there.
Oh, you wanted it there?
We're trying to get that little. Maybe move it further apart.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I'm trying to not get the bottle.
Move
You
it.
can still shoot in there, like that.
I'll do both.
Shoot here
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Just need to get some here.
How we doing?
Thank you.
How's it look?
Tried.
Yeah, no.
She don't.
All that effort and we get.
Why you didn't like the one with the came in a little bit too early, but Oh, I didn't know you switched it up.
Switch it up. Oh.
Like that, just like that. Every little step I take, you will be there.
We did the Smurf? Smurf. Happy birthday, dear Ken. Omar. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy.
We reached our first location.
Think about that, huh?
Still got like $100-some of film left in this.
What you got right there? Hey, I thought you only had 3 cameras. That boy got 5 more dollars.
I keep it moving, man.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. Is that Bonnie? What Clyde at? What Clyde at?
I'm showing clients.
28 to 70. R6.
Natty with a baddie.
Natty with a baddie. Let me see you walk. Hold on. 1 second.
You gotta come this way because she is a Nikon shooter. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? Do you see that?
You want to go sleep? Yeah. I want to shoot too.
Shoot.
I ain't filled up a car. Terrible.
Hey man, what size car you be using?
500 gigabytes.
128.
128.
I got 5 terabytes. He's complaining I ain't filled the card up.
Yeah.
Every trip I fill up cards. When I go out, when you see Chloe on my channel, one model I fill up all my cards.
Oh,
What?
man.
Oh, well, you got that big. You got that. How many shots you take?
Yeah,
But you got the outfits, you got the work crate,
Yeah.
and that's one time.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess it's cold now, huh?
I'm cold. I'm going in.
No, I'm nice and warm. I'm alright.
You want to try to do that one that I told you about?
Shit! The floor?
No, I want to go up on the treehouse.
Are you going to the
What goes up on there in the treehouse?
And let's see if I can get something perfect. I like that.
What that 28 to 70, man?
Listen, I'm trying to steal someone's, but they're using it.
Yeah.
You talking to me? Yep.
Happy faces.
Do you have like okay? You can have a sitting one and a standing one.
What photo?
I don't know. I think I always just like this side. I just like this side of my face. So I'll always try and like.
I always see you do the leg point thing.
Yeah.
Like when
Face
you,
that.
Yeah.
like, hold on, I'm gonna do it.
Show me. Let's go.
Like this.
Let's go.
Let's go, mate.
Why'd you say leg and then put your hands up?
This one.
Yeah, you need angles.
I like it.
Oh, even the eye.
I like it. I like it.
Right by the lemons. And the lambs. With the lemons and the lambs.
It's in that video, ain't it? I tell you. That's your go-to.
What you didn't
That
do
is very
is
beautiful.
you need two.
Bro, why'd you talk about a leg? You did arm and neck.
No, you didn't see my leg. Hold on.
The leg.
I gotta see a leg because everyone else was going.
I got you.
Oh, he said
Here we go. Here we go.
Like that. That's it.
You are louder now.
I'm ready.
Because like, if you were gonna do that pose, you're not gonna just backbend like the fucking Exorcist, are you?
I know.
You need to like.
I like it though.
You have to have angles.
But I think it's just from like a ballet background because we're always like here
And
stuff, and I know it looks nice.
My daughter does
Yeah.
It's
dance.
like,
Yeah.
you know. Really? What style?
Yeah. Oh, ballet and tap right now. Before.
Okay, as you can see, long night, great vibes, a lot of things happening, a lot of things going on, but overall, great day. So, I hope you liked this vlog. Appreciate you watching. T to the M to the I, D, D. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. All right? What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.